Okay, we're rolling. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha and today I wanted to share with you guys a bunch of things that I purchased over the last month. So Tira's sale was happening when they turned 1 or 2, I don't remember. Then there was Pink Summer Sale by Nykaa and I'd ordered a bunch of things but half of them was not even delivered. So I was waiting for that to come to do this haul, but I think that's never happening. And I also got some supplements, some PR that I wanted to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I have this big parcel from Tira. We've got our supplements. We've got a bunch of things from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. I don't know where else to keep all of this. But yeah, it's all of these products that we're going to be unboxing today. So let me start with my Tira haul because सबसे पहले यही आया था मेरे पास. So from Tira, the first thing that I got is the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Now this cost 720 rupees, but I got it for 504 rupees only during the sale. I've heard so many good things about this product, and lately I've realized how important cleansing is, and it's only after I started reading this book Skincare Decoded जहाँ पर मुझे पता चला that cleansing can also help with anti-aging, and जैसे मुझे पता चला I was like, okay, we need to go back to the basics. Now I swear by my Korean products and my Korean brands, and COSRX is one that I absolutely love. So this gel cleanser has a bunch of good reviews and ये इनका bestseller भी है. ये अच्छी soothing ingredients है that get rid of the junk and the gunk that accumulates throughout the day, and it cleanses the skin without stripping the oils. And this is something that I always look at with my cleansers. They need to be gentle, but they also need to remove all the impurities that are there, all the buildup that is there. तो इसमें टी ट्री ऑयल है, इसमें सैलिसिलेट है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है अच्छे से आपके स्किन को माइल्डली एक्सफोलिएट करती है. I'm really excited to try it. Second product that I got is something that I'm wearing on my lips. मैंने आज ही इसको swatch किया and before sitting down I was like, I'll wear this lipstick. And it is the Romance Zero Velvet Tint in the shade Vintage Taupe. This is how it looks like. Got a beautiful texture. The shade is absolutely stunning. I think it will go with all skin tones. For medium skin tones, it looks very nice. It brightens up our Indian complexion. The tint is so good. It is super moussey, a little powdery on application, and it's extremely light. ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है. It smells good as well. It smells like cherries according to me, and this shade is just gorgeous, you guys. I mean, I don't even want to waste it but you can see it's absolutely stunning and it looks amazing. So I'm so happy. मैंने इसको लिया था at a good deal. Usually ये जो Liptons होते हैं वो around 820-890 rupees के मिलते हैं. During the Tira sale I got it for only 594 rupees, which is crazy. So I already have a lot of different Roman Liptons जो मैंने Limes से लिया था because they always have some discount running over there because they officially import it to India and distribute it to all these guys. But ये shade was out of stock everywhere. जिधर भी देखूँ मुझे मिला ही ना ये शेड. सो टीरा पे जैसे ही मैंने देखा एंड ऑब्वियसली ड्यूरिंग द सेल आई गॉट लाइक अ मैसिव डिस्काउंट, तो मैंने इसको फटाफट ढाप लिया, मैंने फटाफट इसको पिकअप कर लिया एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी बिकॉज इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली. ऑल्सो माइंड यू द रीज़न दैट इतना डिस्काउंट मुझे मिला इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैंने पहली बार टीरा पे शॉपिंग किया था. सो आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट कूपन्स जिस वजह से आई वॉज एबल टू गेट एवरीथिंग एट सच अ गुड डील. Now finally for the last bit, this is I think something that I was looking forward to since a very long time. I was eyeing this product but मैं ले नहीं रही थी because number one I already have a hair straightener and number two I was like maybe I don't need it, but I realized while making videos your hair plays such an important role, and whenever my hair looks frizzy even the slightest, the camera just picks it right up. So I thought that I should kind of invest in it for this purpose, and that's why I got myself, drum rolls please, the Alan Truman brush. Now yeah, it's just coming out of the package because I used it to kind of tame my hair. So जो मेरा keratin है वो wear off हो रहा है and I have like a bunch of new growth as well. just slowly you know kind of grow कर रहा है and it is not coming out to be the best. मतलब ऐसा नहीं एकदम silky straight बाल निकल रहे हैं मेरे scalp से. So I need something to tame my hair, and I've realized, I think if you've watched this video of mine, I'll put a link over here, you will know how important it is to not do keratin treatments to your hair or any chemical treatment to your hair. मैंने अच्छे से explain किया इस वीडियो में. So जब मैं नायका में काम करती थी तो उधर स्टाइलिस्ट ने मुझे बोला था that applying heat to your hair every single day is better than actually doing these chemical treatments. Imagine मतलब chemical के ट्रीटमेंट्स कितने हार्श हो सकते हैं. एंड आई कैन सी मेरे लिटरली बाल इतना हेयर फॉल हो रहा है गाइज. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स PCOS और इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, बट आई एम गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर फॉल. सो इस वजह से आई डिसाइडेड कि आई एम नेवर एवर गोइंग बैक टू दैट रूटीन. एंड अगर मुझे करना भी है तो आई विल यूज़ अ ब्लो ड्रायर और समथिंग दैट विल हेल्प टेम माई फ्रिज. सो ब्लो ड्राई तो मुझे करना आता ही नहीं है गाइज. लाइक हेयर के मामले में मैं बहुत ही लुल्लू हूँ. सो आई गॉट दिस एलन ट्रूमैन ब्रश. दिस इज देयर सेरामिक ब्लो ब्रश एंड इट लुक्स लाइक अ टिपिकल ब्रश एज यू कैन सी. मतलब जैसे कंघी करते हैं ना, इट्स लाइक रेपॉन्जल के बाल या डॉल के बाल हम कंघी कर रहे हैं. सो इट लिटरली लुक्स लाइक दैट एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू प्लग इट इन. वाओ. And you just have to plug it in, and there are these settings over here. So you have your off button, your blast button, your hot button and your warm button. You can just change the settings by shifting this and you can blow dry your hair, and it is that easy. You just have to kind of go through it like this. मैं अपने बाल को उल्टा करके ऐसे करती हूँ, जो मैंने सैलॉन्स में देखा है ना ऐसे. तो मैंने ये सब चीज़ें ट्राई करी है एंड इट रियली गिव्स लाइक गुड रिजल्ट्स. एंड मैं ज़्यादा इसको हॉट वार्म मोड में रखती नहीं. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि ब्लास्ट मोड में ही हो जाए, बट जब तुम ब्लास्ट मोड में करते हो तो द काइंड ऑफ बोलते हैं ना ब्लो ड्राइड इफेक्ट वो ज़्यादा टिकता नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ स्विच बिटवीन ब्लास्ट एंड वार्म और हॉट. सो यू कैन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दिस एंड see what works out for you. I've only used it 2 times. I don't use it every single day. So yeah, I'm still getting used to it, but I really like this brush, which literally mimic a typical round brush. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got it for myself. So note that before using this on my hair, I always apply a heat protectant. So right now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, which also works as a heat protectant. So I'm using that. But मैंने नायका के सेल से मंगवाया था एक heat protectant from Wella, but वो deliver ही नहीं हुआ. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. But these are all the things that I got from Tira. So overall I spent around $2,880 only, which is insane because ये brush itself costs around 2,800 something, but I got 3 items for this price. ये वाला brush मुझे पड़ा for 1,780 only after the discount. So yeah, I think Tira was a good one, and I was tempted to buy more products, but I think I only needed these, so I stuck to them. The thing that I do when I'm shopping is I see कि मुझे इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, and then I make a purchase. So बहुत सारे items मैंने डाले थे, but I was like, I don't think I need it now. ऐसे करते 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 I only shortlisted these 3 and I got them for myself. Now, moving on to my supplements. So I have been using the Oziva daily multivitamin supplement. So this has all of the good things, right from your vitamins, minerals, ashwagandha. All of this is really great for hormonal balance and also stress, because this has ashwagandha, which is great to relieve anxiety and really calm you down. So yeah, this is something that I have been using religiously, but my hair fall has been really nerve wracking and मुझे कुछ तो करना है उसको ठीक करने के लिए. So this is not specifically for hair fall. इट्स अ मल्टीवाइटामिन, तो इसमें बहुत सारी डिफरेंट भी चीज़ें हैं जो एक सर्टन प्रोपोर्शन में है, बट आई फील लाइक आई नीड मोर बायोटिन, आई नीड मोर B12, विटामिन डी, जिंक, बिकॉज मेरी डेफिशिएंसीज हैं इन एरियाज़ में. सो आई नो इट बिकॉज ऑफ माई ब्लड टेस्ट जो मैंने लास्ट ईयर करवाया था. तो आई नो कि काफ़ी कम था मेरा विटामिन लेवल. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट दिस. नाउ दिस इज़ फ्रॉम वीरा हेल्थ. लेट मी अनपैक इट. मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है गाइज. देयर वी हैव इट. So I got this from Veera Health. Now this is specifically for hair fall and it's called vitamin C. It's got zinc, it's got vitamin E, B5, B2, A, folic acid, biotin, vitamin D and B12. So it's got all the necessary ingredients are meant for hair fall, and it is specifically for PCOS girlies. And I really trust Veera Health with my things because I have been with them, and whatever transformation you see right now is because of Veera Health, and obviously I credit it to myself and the mindset shift that I had. But these guys were able to give me direction and they kept me motivated. So they released their wellness range of products, and this is one of them. So I bought this for myself. Let's see, I hope it works. My nutritionist told me that मुझे 3 महीने तो इसको religiously लेना है. So yeah, as soon as I'm done with my multivitamins, I will start this because I can't have a ton of tablets all at once, and excess भी मुझे किसी चीज़ का चाहिए नहीं. So we'll keep it balanced. Now coming to the Nykaa haul. So Nykaa had their pink summer sale, and always during these massive sales, whether it is their pink love sale, whether it is their summer sale, whether it is their birthday sale, they always have this pink box concept. And they also have some flash sales that they do on categories or on brands, either in the morning or in the evening or both. I have not kept track of the Nykaa app all that frequent to exactly know, but they always have something or the other exciting that happens during their sale. So I bought a bunch of things. So let me show you guys the things that I bought, then I'll show you the things that I wanted to buy and I got for myself but they never delivered. So yeah, सबसे पहले तो these are all the products that I got at the end of the sale. And इस टाइम क्या था कि शावर जेल्स पे, बॉडी वॉशेस एंड शावर जेल्स पे काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे थे एंड मेरा ख़त्म होने आया था, सो आई थॉट इट्स द बेस्ट टाइम टू रीस्टॉक. सो द फर्स्ट वन दैट आई गॉट, oh wait, I also got a cleansing oil. Yeah, I wanted to try a cleansing oil. So right now I have cleansing balms. So Clinique का एक balm है मेरे पास, Take the Day Off वाला, and एक Earth Rhythm का है. Earth Rhythm one I absolutely don't like. It really stings my eyes. But okay, we'll not talk about this. It's not a review time. But I wanted to try a cleansing oil, and this brand is so raved about. It's a Japanese brand and everyone is obsessed. Even Dr. Bhagyashree, who I listened to, you know, a couple of times just to gain some insights and understand the world of skincare, she has used like 3 bottles of it, and I was like, okay, that means the hype genuinely somewhere real. So I got myself a mini one to try. This is the DHC cleansing oil, and this is a Japanese brand. It's known to be really hydrating. It's known to be really light on the skin, and it effectively dissolves all makeup, all junk, gunk, everything beautifully. So of course your girl had to give it a shot because she literally is out and about every single day facing pollution. So yeah, we gotta get rid of all of the gunk. So I'm really excited to try this. It's very chotu but it's so expensive guys. ये इतना सा मुझे 499 rupees का पड़ा है. Yeah, but I invest in my skincare so that I don't have to use a lot of makeup. Like literally आज मैंने सिर्फ blush, mascara and lipstick लगाया है. All of this is natural skin and it's all thanks to skincare. So I really invest in my skincare and I'm really excited to try it. Although expensive, I hope it lives up to the hype. Second product that I got is a freebie. Okay, so I actually have a freebie with me. This was supposed to come with the other package, but इन्होंने इसमें ही मुझे दे दिया. This is the Wella renewing mask. Remember how I told you कि मैंने अपने लिए Wella का एक हीट प्रोटेक्टेंट मिस्ट मंगाया है, बट दैट डिड नॉट गेट डिलीवर्ड. वो पूरा ऑर्डर डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है, बट आई गॉट द फ्रीबी, सो I guess good for me. So this is a hair mask. It's supposed to be moisturizing. It is formulated without silicones. It's got 95% natural organic ingredients, which means it's got natural extracts, not like actual natural ingredients. So yeah, that's the diff. And yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm actually running out of my hair mask. I'm using all these little samples that I got from Thailand. This is also a sample technically. So yeah, let's see how it goes. अगर अच्छा लगा तो मैं full tub ले लूँगी बाद में. But yeah, this is what came out of this chotu sa box. Now coming to the rather bigger box. Finally, I know exactly what's in here. These are the body washes that I was talking about, and my body is extremely prone to fungal infection, and मैं कुछ भी सुंदर अच्छा smelling चीज़ लगाऊँ, it never really is sufficient. I need something that will help in exfoliation. I need something with ketozone in it or something like that that really makes sure कि कोई fungal growth ना हो. And from what my doctor told me, मेरा पसीना actually काफ़ी गंदा है. It's very toxic to the extent कि अगर वो सूख जाए तो patches बन जाते हैं. So body में थोड़े दाग धब्बे हैं, तो इस वजह से this time I decided instead of going for a Bath and Body Works shower gel or a feel good shower gel, I'll actually go for something that exfoliates. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये वाला खरीदा. I've heard so many good things about this. This is the Chemist at Play body wash. So this one has 4% lactic acid, salicylic acid and vitamin E. So lactic and salicylic is great for making sure that there's nice exfoliation happening. I think the percentages are also good, and you have your vitamin E, which makes sure that it is gentle and moisturizing without over drying the skin. So it's really exciting. I'm actually quite pumped because I hope this works. नहीं तो बहुत boring soaps मुझे use करने पड़ते हैं and anti dandruff shampoo अपने body पे लगाना पड़ता है, which is no fun. So I'm excited to try this. And इसके साथ I also got their other body wash which I wanted to try. And this one has 1% salicylic acid. It's also got plant-based ceramides, which is great and protects the skin barrier as well. So I'm really excited to try this one out. $3.99 I got 2 body washes. So per body wash was only 199 rupees, which is great. Because honestly, मतलब DMart में जो तुम्हारे feel good body washes आते हैं, I think वो 100 rupees something के होते हैं. And usually these ones are like 300-400 bucks because of the ingredients that are there in them. But at the sale, I got it for a very good deal. Apart from that, I'll put a screenshot over here of the products that I had purchased but they never got delivered. All for the L'Oreal Paris steam mask, because again my hair is becoming frizzy. I really invest in good hair masks and I wanted to try this because I wanted to also do a spa at home and see if it really works on frizzy hair. Then I wanted the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Dark Circle Eye Serum with 3% glycolic, niacinamide, vitamin C. Oh my god, it's such a big name. But yeah, basically right now I'm using the Shrooms under eye cream and it's absolutely amazing, but I also wanted a serum to complement with it. मेरा ordinary वाला खत्म हो गया है, so I got this one. Then Wella का Thermal Image Heat Protectant which I mentioned. Then Acne Squad के मुझे 2 प्रोडक्ट चाहिए था. एक था उनका Acne Scar वाला जो स्पॉट करेक्टर है, एंड एक एक्टिव एक्ने के लिए विद सैलिसिलिक एसिड. तो मेरा अचानक से मुझे पिंपल्स आते हैं गाइज, एंड आई नीडेड समथिंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट ड्यूरिंग दोज SOS सिचुएशंस, एंड आई हैव लवली एक्सपीरियंस विद एक्ने स्क्वाड. उनका ये वाला जो है एक्ने स्क्वाड स्पॉट करेक्टर रियली वर्कड आउट, एंड मेरे यहाँ पर जो एक्ने थे उसके जो स्कार्स हैं वो मतलब डिमिनिश हो गए थे ऑन लाइक रेगुलर यूज़, बट अभी मेरे पास वो ख़त्म हो गए प्रोडक्ट्स. आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट दीज. देन उसके बाद आई ऑल्सो वॉन्टेड द लव ब्यूटी एंड प्लानट हेयर मास्क. आई हैव हर्ड अमेजिंग रिव्यूज़ अबाउट इट, एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू आई एम रियली इन्वेस्टिंग इन हेयर मास्क, सो आई वॉन्टेड दैट. आई वॉन्टेड माई कल्ट कलर बार का किस प्रूफ लिप स्टेन इन हॉट लाटे. That's one of my favorite shades. It's beautiful, the formulation, the pigmentation, and it really complements my skin tone. I have finished that entire bottle. I think that was the first lipstick I absolutely finished. फिर उसके बाद I tried so many others कि ये बस ऐसे गायब हो गया था किधर. But some days, you know, when I don't know what to wear with my clothes and I'm just thinking कि मैं ये कलर डालूँ ये कलर डालूँ, मुझे सबसे पहले hot latte की याद आती है. So I was like, it's time to get it back. Then उसके बाद from The Ordinary, I wanted to get the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. They've reformulated their hyaluronic acid is what I know latest. And उनका glycolic acid 7% toning solution. During the sale, you know, you get like good discounts if you buy 2 Ordinary products. So I was thinking of restocking these. And B Body Wise का 4% AHA BHA underarm roll on to treat pigmentation. तो although मेरा pigmentation PCOS की वजह से है, but आई फील लाइक कि इसको भी अगर मैं डालूँ तो एटलीस्ट ओडर जाएगा, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट बीइंग ओनली अ फील गुड स्मेल गुड प्रोडक्ट, उसमें एक्चुअली एक्टिव्स है जो मे भी कहीं ना कहीं काम करेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल्ड फॉर दिस. एंड उसके अलावा आई वाज गेटिंग फ्री एक्ने स्क्वाड पाउच, फ्री कलर बार का लिप बाम, फ्री कलर बार का क्ले मास्क, बट ये सब गया. सो दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट, एंड इनका टोटल समवेयर अराउंड 6, 7, 8, 9 हो रहा था आफ्टर डिस्काउंट एंड एवरीथिंग, बट अभी तक दिखा रहा है इन ट्रांजिट. एंड व्हेन आई लुक एट द ऑर्डर इट इज़ नॉट डिलीवर्ड बिकॉज द पैकेज अपेरेंटली इज़ इन बैड कंडीशन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे मिलने वाला है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट. एंड लास्टली लेट मी डू अ लिटिल PR for you. I know this video is already long, but I love to talk about things that I bought, this, that. And if you have stayed till the end over here, I absolutely love you. You are my everything. So this brand Habits actually reached out to me on Instagram and they wanted to do a video with me. They were quite inspired by my PCOS journey, but because of my schedule, I told them that I don't think I will be able to get onto this collaboration. It was a barter collaboration, obviously. Abhi koi paise nahi deta, guys. But I told them that I don't think I have the bandwidth, but they still reached out and they were really keen on, wanting to kind of do a collaboration with me. So I was like, okay, we'll work on something. And they sent across a bunch of their products to me, and earlier I did not know about them, but honestly they are doing such a fab job. All of their products are made with natural ingredients, and I really love how everything is biodegradable, well thought of. It's a very sustainable brand, and as I'm growing up, I realize how much waste our consumption generates. I was quite interested when they reached out to me, and these are the products that they sent. So the first thing is the Habits biodegradable toothbrush. This is how it looks like. It's made from wheat straw, and it is so soft, the bristles on this one. Oh my god. Apparently it is charcoal infused. I don't know how much benefit it has, but the fact that this entire product is made by wheat, it is biodegradable, is something that I was extremely happy about. Made in India, which is amazing, and it is recyclable, so I was quite pumped to receive this, honestly. Second thing that they gave me is this teeth whitening powder. Now I've never tried teeth whitening powder in my entire life, you guys. I was actually very scared. मैं सोच रही थी कि teeth whitening treatment एक बार देखते हैं कि क्या होता है, but सब कहते हैं कि उससे आपके जो नेचुरल टीथ है वो थोड़े काइंड ऑफ वीक हो जाते हैं, ब्रिटल हो जाते हैं. सो आई वॉज वेरी स्केर्ड, बट व्हेन आई सॉ दिस, इट्स मेंशन दैट इट हैज टी ट्री ऑयल, spearmint, it's got activated charcoal, and I don't have to use it every single day, but it's very cool. So this is the powder. I've tried it once. It's got a really fresh scent. You put the toothpaste on the brush and then you dip the brush in this and then you brush your teeth. Pretty cool, right? And lastly is a mouthwash. Now this is the Habits mouthwash. It also comes with a measuring cup, and you only need like 10 ml of it, and then you just kind of do your shenanigan, whatever you do during your mouthwash for 60 seconds, and it's supposed to get rid of all the odor, bad breath, all of that off your mouth. This also has spearmint tea tree oil. I think this is with all of their products. So these are the things that were sent to me in PR, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this sit down long video, and I hope this gave you some inspiration for any of the shopping that you want to do eventually. I wanted to get a bunch of different things from Dot & Key also, but Dot & Key has their own separate sale, which is quite great. So I realized that all these Indian brands, they have their own separate sales, and you can get anything you want during the time of the year. But like international brands like Ordinary, Charlotte Tilbury have the best discounts during the sale period, so make sure that you get those during that time, or any other essential that you want to stock up on. And yeah, so I posted about this without any obligation to share it over on my YouTube. So all of this is coming straight from the heart, don't think otherwise. And yeah, absolutely love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.